Hi friends, do you know different types of methods allowed in Python? So there are three types of method: instance method, class method, and static method. Let me explain all these method through an example. So here I have defined one class students. So it contains one constructor, and below are all three methods are defined. So first one is instance method. Suppose if you want to deal with instance variable, then we have to define instance method. So here I have defined one instance method. So its first argument should be self and it contains instance variable. Then second one is class method. Suppose if you want to do class level processing using class variable, then we can define class method. And for class method we have to write at the rate class method decorator, and the first argument of class method should be cls. Then third one is static method. So static method are utility method. So here also we have to write at the rate static method decorator. And if you want to do some kind of activity or utility method, then in that case we will define static method. So these are three methods allowed in Python. Thank you.